All right, y'all, just a late night preview of an accessory for my B1 battle droid. Pew pew. It is coming. I don't think I'm actually going to finish this one and paint it. I think I'm going to leave it as is, except for actually chrome out maybe part of the barrel. But yeah, so I'm hoping to put this together tomorrow. I'll show you guys I'm printing some dowels overnight and a few other things for another video coming soon. I did also make a video comparing the A1 and the Centauri Carbon. So if you guys are on YouTube, please go ahead and check that out. If you're on TikTok, link is in the bio to the channel. And remember to subscribe, guys, and follow on TikTok.